Hey, what's up YouTube? Doing some Pelican canoe modifications today. Trying to turn this Pelican canoe into a bit more of a bass fishing canoe out on the lake. Got on Amazon.com, found a mesh bag from Yakgear. Just basically trying to have some more room, I guess. Not room, but places to put stuff while I'm sitting on the seat paddling or fishing. This is pretty convenient for like your phone, beer can, maybe listen to music, put your speaker down in there, or anything else. But I'm going to use these carabiners to clip the bag to the inside of the canoe. When I ordered the bag from Yakgear, they sent me screws, some washers, and some locking nuts. I also got on Amazon, was able to find some what it is, it's like a hook loop. So I'm going to put these on the inside of the canoe like this on the gun rail, and then I'm going to use the carabiner to attach the bag to these loops. So whenever I'm not in the canoe and I want to take it out, I just unhook it with the carabiner. But I'll put another video up of after the installation is done of the front and back seat.